Today's demo will be of the Homeowner Association database demo template. Now, what we're going to do, I'm going to open the database here. Now, you notice there's a few other files in here. This is what we call a split database. By split, I mean that the data is in one place, that's here, and the application is in another place here. In fact, let's open what we call the backend, and we see that the tables here, there's only tables, there's nothing, there's no apps, there's no forms, there's no nothing. It's just data or a lack of data. The tables are mostly empty, but they're going to be filled through the front end, which is the actual application. So let's go ahead and close this, and we'll open the front end, which is the part of the database that has all of the forms and reports, etc. Now, the first thing we're asked to do is please select the backend file. Now, it is looking for a particular file, Homeowner Association data.eccdb, and so that's right here, and so we'll select and open it. I'm going to log in as administrator. And now you see we have all of the lists here, so let's go up through this one by one. The first place I'm going to go to is Maintain Lists. Now, this basically contains any drop-down data, any combo box data that is fixed in nature. For example, well, this is the list of units. Let's say state. There's a fixed set of states. Of course, we have territories and other things here too, but it's a fixed list. The same thing for payment method. Now, of course, we can add, but this is where those drop-down lists are going to be housed. So let's take a look at some of the other menus here. Let's go to the units and owners. And so you can make a list of all of the units in that homeowners association. So let's go ahead and add one first in the maintenance list. Select a building number. Now, we've entered these in advance, but these are in another table. Fill in some information here. Our unit, it wants a number, and so we'll add some units right here. Okay, so that should be enough test data. User contains the user names to manage the application. I log in as the administrative user, but of course, now you can have other people who use this application and you can assign them usernames and passwords. So now we can go to dues balance and payment. We'll just have this one building here. We search the units, so we're going to go ahead. There's a balance of $550 here, so we'll go ahead and record payment. And let's say we'll record the entire amount, we'll leave the check number off, and comment, paid today. Submit that. Okay, payment has been received. Running balance. So there you go. So we will go ahead and close out the search. Maintain dues. Now, of course, this is where we will put all the dues rates for the various square footage and their effective dates. Let's go to owner groups. We'll come back to reports. Owners group, so you can set owners group is search for social committee, for example, and search and you find the role over here. Maintain lists, we've already seen. Vendors, again, if you have, let's go ahead and add a new vendor here. Vendor name. Okay, we'll go ahead and just save those changes. Oh, be the vendor type. Okay. And of course, we'll have to add a vendor category. And of course, wouldn't you know it, there's no paving category, but construction should be good enough. Save changes and close. Employees. So let's add a new employee. There we go. So he's bet to refresh to see that employee entered. And finally, we could go to reports. This is going to show us things like directory pamphlet, due change notice. A lot of these are form reports. Again, this template is meant to be customized so you can run these for any type of situation or payment you want. Some of these are going to have missing data because we didn't enter all of these. Monthly deposits, I think we made one. Let's put 5/1 to 5. It's 530. It'll be good enough. Okay, that shows the amount that was just paid here. So this is a brief demonstration of our Homeowner Association demo template. Of course, you may have completely different needs, or you may have different needs than what you see here, and all of our templates are meant to be customized. So you can add functions, add different levels of logins and securities, whatever you need to make this template into exactly what you need to manage your homeowners association. I hope this video has been helpful. If there are any questions, please visit our website at microsoftaccessexpert.com. Thank you for watching.